Did you know that you can use your Apple Watch as your smart controller? Today, we're diving into the latest version of the mobile gimbal from DJI. In this episode, I'll be showcasing the innovative DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal designed to make your videography, photography simpler and more enjoyable. So now, I will show you how to connect this gimbal to your Apple Watch. Follow these simple steps. Number 1. Install the DJI Mimo app on your iWatch and iPhone. Number 2. Open the DJI Mimo app on your iPhone and it will directly pop up on your iWatch. Once connected, your iWatch becomes smart controller with several features. It has a new Active Track 6.0 features. You can use your iWatch to track your subject even you're not holding your gimbal. And if you love capturing moving subject and want smartphone to follow you smoothly, in this latest update, it offers advanced obstacle tracking to keep your subject in focus. Enables precise tracking of your subject. You can also use it as a joystick controller that allows you to pan left and right, tilt up and down, and even flip vertically and horizontally. As a content creator, it's hard to control the camera without seeing the actual scene. And this feature makes it much easier. And you can record and capture your moment remotely using your iWatch. You can start and stop recording or take a photo directly. This is especially convenient for solo traveler or family moments without needing a personal photographer or videographer. Even from high angle, you can shoot without holding the gimbal by setting it up with your Apple Watch. With this magnetic clamp tree, you may place it wherever you want and choose whatever angle to take a group photo or video. Keep in mind that the video transmission bandwidth is limited due to Apple Watch limitation, but the video quality itself is not affected. This feature is designed for your convenience and capturing your best moment. If you want to learn more about the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal, I already uploaded a video tutorial on how to use this. You can use built-in extension rod up to 215mm to capture more dynamic angle, like vlogging, capturing time-lapse, and now let's talk about the 4 presets mode that you can see on the status panel. Follow. In follow mode, the camera view follows the gimbal's pan and tilt movements and stays stable during rules. Tilt lock. The camera view only follows the gimbal's pan and movements and stays stable during tilts and rules. FPV. In FPV mode, all 3 axes of the gimbal follow the movement of the main body. Spin shots. Push the joystick to the left or right to control the rotation of the camera view and create dynamic footage. So you can use different techniques using this Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. The link in the description below. And that's it with this feature. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal and your iWatch make a powerful combination for capturing stunning videos and photos. Hope you like it, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.